Case study: the fallacy of visual appeal in UX design. User experience design is a dynamic field aimed at creating meaningful and enjoyable experiences for users. However, there are some misconceptions about what truly matters in UX design. In this case study, we will uncover some common UX myths and shed light on aspects that are often perceived as important but may not be. By understanding these misconceptions, we can refocus our efforts on what truly matters and create better user experiences. Myth: visual appeal is the most important aspect in UX design. A popular e-commerce website called Fashion Center believed that a visually stunning interface would be the key to attracting and retaining users. They invested significant resources in creating a visually appealing website, including high-resolution images, elaborate animations, and stylish color schemes. However, despite the visually captivating design, the website had a high bounce rate and low conversion rate. To uncover the truth behind this myth, the UX team at Fashion Center conducted extensive user research, usability testing, and data analysis. They found that while users appreciated the visually appealing design, they were frustrated by the lack of intuitive navigation, slow loading times, and difficulty in finding relevant products. The excessive focus on visual appeal overshadowed the importance of usability and functionality. The UX team decided to shift their focus from visual appeal to user-centered design principles. They conducted in-depth user interviews and created interactive prototypes using tools like Axure to observe user behavior and understand their needs and pain points. Based on the insights gained, they made the following improvements. Simplified navigation. The team simplified the website's navigation by reducing the number of categories and using clear and intuitive labels. They also introduced a prominent search bar to help users quickly find products. Improved performance. The team optimized the website's loading speed by compressing images, minimizing code, and leveraging caching techniques. This significantly improved the overall user experience and reduced the bounce rate. Enhanced product filtering. Fashion Center introduced advanced filtering options that allowed users to refine their search results based on size, color, price range, and other relevant attributes. This made it easier for users to find the products they desired. After implementing these changes, Fashion Center saw a significant increase in user engagement and conversion rates. The bounce rate decreased by 25%, and the average time spent on the website increased by 30%. Additionally, customer feedback indicated greater satisfaction with the improved usability and functionality of the website. This case study highlights the fallacy of prioritizing visual appeal over usability and functionality in UX design. While aesthetics play a role in attracting users, relying solely on aesthetics does not guarantee a positive user experience. By focusing on user-centered design, conducting in-depth research, and addressing user needs and pain points, businesses can create more meaningful and impactful experiences. Uncovering UX myths is crucial for UX designers and businesses to create outstanding user experiences. By challenging these misconceptions and embracing user-centered design principles, we can ensure that our designs are intuitive, functional, and truly meet the needs of users. Let's continue to evolve our understanding of UX design and create experiences that users love and engage with.